In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to associate line items with a deal in HubSpot so you can track exactly what you're selling and keep your pipeline accurate. Start by heading to your CRM and clicking on Deals. This is where all your active and closed deals are stored. Find the deal you want to update and click on its name to open the record. Once inside, look at the right-hand panel and find the section labeled Line Items. This is where you'll add products or services to the deal. To add items, click Add Line Item. You'll now have two options. If you already have products set up, choose Select from Product Library. Browse or search for the product, select it and click Add. If the item is unique or not in your library, choose Create Custom Line Item. Enter details like name, price, and description. Then click Save. You can repeat this process to add multiple items if needed. As you add line items, HubSpot will automatically calculate the total deal amount. If prompted, click Update Deal Amount to sync everything properly. Take a moment to review the total and ensure everything looks correct. And that's it. You've successfully associated line items with a deal in HubSpot, giving you clearer sales tracking and more accurate reporting.